The only way you're gonna get fresher seafood is if you catch it yourself. I'm Chef Kurt Peter with Chesapeake Chef Service. I'm here at Chester River Seafood to get what the Chesapeake Bay is famous for, soft shell crabs. Come on in, guys.
Hey, Kurt. How are you today?
Good, how you doing, Chris?
Good to see you.
You as well, man.
What do you got going on today?
That's what I came here today for, some soft crabs.
Oh yeah, whales? Would you like to see them?
Wow, they look fantastic.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
We have a run going on right now. If you'd like to see where we're shedding them at, we do it right next door. I can take you over and see it.
That'd be incredible. Let's check it out.
You're really gonna like this. It's a lot of work. I think we got about, I don't know, 30-some dozen soft crabs last night.
Wow.
As you can see, like here's one here. You can see where it's busting. You can see where the soft is getting right back out of its shell.
Wow, that's soft, real soft.
Yep. So here what we have is, we put them in here when they're almost done busting. And this crab has backed out of this shell right here.
Wow, look at the size difference. That's incredible.
Yep. So how many are you looking for today?
We got a small dinner tonight, probably about a half a dozen.
Half a dozen? We can do that. Let's go next door and we'll get you packed up.
Chris and Sheila have an awesome setup here. Soft crabs busting out and getting ready for the skillet. I love it. Let's go see a friend for some farm fresh produce. Hey Eileen, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Welcome.
Too.
What's going on?
We kind of want to do a light, summery kind of vegetable side dish.
Right over here, of course, we have the yellow and zucchini squash.
These
but I
look
tell you,
great.
Kurt, would you like to go out to the fields?
Absolutely.
And you can pick it yourself?
Let's do it.
Because I have something special for you. I have some squash blossoms out there.
Awesome.
Which I know you love.
Yeah, there's some personal favorites.
Personal favorites.
Let's go check them out.
Yep, let's go. Here we are.
Oh, man. Look at all the zucchini and squash.
Yes, we got 3 kinds, patty pan, yellow, and green. Let's do it. We have some patty pan squash. See right down here is that pretty green one. It's a little bit.
Is that a good size to
I think it is. It's tender and young. This is probably one of my favorites because it just melts in your mouth.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's awesome. Wow, look at that one.
Yeah, that's nice.
Is that a double?
Twins. Zucchini, I'm gonna harvest this one too. So this is yellow zucchini. So it has the flavor of the yellow, but the firmness of the zucchini.
That's awesome, okay.
I know.
Wow,
I like
look at
that one right there. Perfect from top to bottom.
Eileen, I can't thank you enough for taking me out here. This is quite the experience.
Oh, my pleasure.
Look at all this awesome zucchini and squash blossoms.
You got me out of the market for a little while.
Welcome to my kitchen. First thing we're gonna do is clean our zucchini, squash, and patty pans. We remove the seeds from these zucchini and squash because the seeds are a little bit bitter. My personal favorite, the patty pan squash. So we're just gonna split these lengthwise. So here in the bag we have a little ricotta and herb filling. Make a small opening in the top. We'll put those aside until we're ready to fry them. Chesapeake Bay soft crabs. All right, so the whole crab is edible except 3 parts: the face, the lungs, and the apron. So, small pair of kitchen shears. Gonna remove the face and the lungs. Some people may know that as the devil's fingers. And then remove the apron. One of my personal favorite preparations for the soft crab is a light dredging. Not a huge fan of a lot of the thick breading. So just a little bit of flour and Old Bay. I'm just gonna lightly coat them. A little olive oil. We put these in presentation side down. Start our zucchini and squash. We'll let those kind of finish and rest in the pan. All right, after you get a little bit of char on your zucchini and squash, you can pull those off. Next, we're moving on to our squash blossoms. We're gonna do a very light dredge and tempura. And Drop them in the fryer. This is very delicate. All right, next we're going to take our zucchini and squash. Cut these up, do about 1 to 2 inch pieces. Add our tomatoes. Small spoonful zucchini pesto. I'm going to mix that up. We're going to add our soft crab on top. We'll finish with a squash blossom. These are 2 of my personal favorite early summer delicacies. This is perfect for your summer dinner parties. I'm going to give this a try. Oh wow. Tastes like summer. All right guys, go get this recipe. It's at mpt.org/farm.
Oh wow, that's Chesapeake living right there. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates, pictures, and videos.